Welcome today in front of me Realme 9, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store, and to do that we should here enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap auto OK, and now we can see here information with our device battery health. In my case, that's good. Also here we can find a lot of different other information about our device battery, like the level, capacity, voltage, temperature, and other info like our device Android version, model, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.